Hi, my name's Geo Giordano, and I am a medical herbalist, and I have been trained to work with modern medicine in tandem with herbal medicine, which is what I call original medicine. And the course that I'm going to be teaching is called Integrating Traditional and Modern Medicines, the Best of Both Worlds. My father was a pharmacist and learned it when it was still plant compounding. And so I grew up learning from my grandfather first. Then I became part of the corporate world after getting a bachelor's degree in cultural anthropology and English literature, and landed into the professional world for about 25 years, at which point I became terribly homesick for the earth. And so at the age of 48, I went back to school to the first and only master's degree program in medical herbalism in the country from a school called Thai Sophia Institute. And it is now called the Maryland University of Integrative Health. So we were trained to work with modern medicine, and so I do work with medical practitioners, and I have 7 doctors that are actually clients. All over the world right now, integrative medicine has taken hold, and most countries practice their traditional medicine as well as modern medicine, or Western medicine, or allopathic medicine. And from where I stand and what I have learned, both are very vital in different ways. I see that modern medicine is wonderful for acute short-term intervention, and that traditional medicine is really well suited for preventative work, for wellness, and for chronic long-term use. And it has to do with receptor site activity, which you will learn about if you take this class. We'll be exploring a number of different paradigms, ways that traditional healing has been practiced all over the world. It will be brief, however, and you will learn and go to an integrative medical community clinic that is associated with Johns Hopkins. And you'll learn about the different practitioners that work there and how they integrate with the medical doctors. You will learn about community service in how it can be embracing traditional medicine, which is more attuned to people who may be on the underbelly of life in Baltimore. And that is a pretty large underbelly in Baltimore. So you will be learning about ways that acupuncture and nutrition and Tai Chi, for example, can help people with drug addiction, homelessness, and empowerment. So there are some of the highlights of the class that you can expect. Some of our guest speakers will include a medical doctor that is part of an integrative medical community, an acupuncturist, a massage therapist, a master body worker, and let's see, we'll probably also have maybe a chiropractor, could have a holistic psychotherapist as well. So it should be an interesting blend of mind, body, spirit healing. So be more, a common freshman experience.